What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So LG fans, we got a problem. We have a problem in 2019. I knew something was strange when LG released the LG G8 and the LG V50 kind of sort of at the same time. But we got a problem in 2019. Maybe it's not a problem, but let's go to discuss it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. And let's talk about LG. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So a lot of you guys been asking me, Easy, when are you going to get the LG V50 and review it? Well, I've been trying to get the LG V50. As you know, the LG V50 is a 5G device that's exclusive to Sprint. Now, in my area, down south in Louisiana, it's no 5G network, right? So what I try to do is I went online to LG.com and it redirected me to Sprint to log into my account and try to order this device. Well, unfortunately, when I log into my Sprint account to try to order the LG V50, it's unavailable. So that device may not even be a device that I can get until they release another version of the LG V50. I find that strange when they released the LG G8 and then they announced the LG V50 at the same time, saying that there's going to be a 5G device. Well, that 5G device is exclusive to Sprint. And as you know, Sprint is only available with the 5G network in certain areas, and down south in Louisiana is not one of those areas. So, but that may be a good thing. Hold on a second, that may be a good thing, because you guys may ask the question, okay, so what's going to be the flagship? What's the flagship of 2019? Is it the LG G8? Maybe that device too small. They want the LG V50. Maybe LG may release a LG V50 sometime down the line. But as of recording this video, the first week of June of 2019, that device is not available. Now, we knew that the device was available the end of May. But when you try to order the phone is grayed out in certain areas because of 5G coverage. Now, just wondering why LG did not release a regular version of the LG V50 for me in the United States. That's not the case. Maybe down the line that may be the case, but right now I cannot get the LG V50. That is a strange type of deal there. But all is not lost. Let's talk about it. You got two premium phones. You got the LG G8, a beautiful, gorgeous 6.1-inch OLED display, POLED display, A55, 6 gigs of RAM, all the bells and whistles, fantastic cameras. I proved that over and over again with the camera array that's on the LG G8. Is a fantastic phone. But let's go to the reverse a little bit. What about the LG V40? Now, when you look at the body style of the LG V40 and the body style of the LG V50, it looks the same. You know, 6.4-inch device, POLED display. You got the A45 and the V40, A55, same RAM and stuff like that. But in the V50, you get 128 gigs of storage. The V40, you get 64 gigs of storage. That's here or there. Both of the phones is going to be fast. One phone will have 5G, one phone is not. But here's where it gets good. If you are a user that want a flagship phone in 2019, the V40 is not that bad. I will recommend the V40 in 2019. I'm gonna tell you why. You have a beautiful, gorgeous POLED display, 6.4. You have all the bells and whistles with Pro mode and awesome cameras. You got 3 cameras on the back and the rear cameras on the front. You have Pro mode that's outstanding. You have outstanding mics. You have all the bells and whistles. Plus, it's powerful enough to run what you need to run, especially in 2019. And here's a good thing about the LG V40, the price. Listen, we're not paying $1,200. That's probably going to be the price for the LG V50. For what I've heard, you know, $1,200 plus bucks. You can get the LG V40 mid $450, lightly used, right? And that is a huge difference in price, especially when you talk about a great phone like the LG V40. Now, even with the LG G8, you can get the LG G8 for $400. Again, lightly used. So when you're looking at mid $400, $400, you talk about premium flagships in 2019 that will get the job done. Premium cameras that almost unbeatable in these array of cameras that everybody trying to fight to be King Supreme, right? So I tell you, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. The only problem about the V40, and hopefully LG would take care of business with that, it's still running Android 8.1. Now, I went on different websites, I went on different forums. Listen, LG is aware of our frustration about software updates. So they have put out a statement saying that the V40 will get Pi very soon. Now, somebody had reached out to me and told me different ways to get the phone, maybe get the phone shipped out of town and then get it shipped to me and all that stuff like that. I'm not doing all that. All I'm gonna do is wait until a version of the LG V50 come out and I'm gonna get that phone. Now, for what I've seen, the body style is the same as the V40. Everything is the same pretty much except the specs, 855, 128 gigs of internal storage. I don't know about the camera arrays, but you get the 5G chip. So that's gonna be the difference. And I don't even think there's gonna be a huge difference when it comes down to the V40 and the V50. I don't see no design changes at all. So look like LG is keeping it safe when it comes down to choice of design, because you're getting the notch, you're getting the same 6.4-inch display, you're not getting in-display fingerprint scanners, you're getting the same fingerprint scanner on the back, you're getting the same camera array. The only thing you're getting that's different is you're getting more storage, probably a bigger battery, obviously because of the 5G chip, and you're getting 5G technology, but it's not available where I'm standing at today. So hopefully that LG would take care of business with the LG V50, and I would get that in-house ASAP. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V50, the LG V40, and the LG G8. Hey, and don't forget about the LG G7. I actually nominate this phone more than the LG G8. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch the comparison video between the LG G8 and the LG G7. I talk about both of these phones, and I highly recommend the LG G7 because it is a fantastic phone. But you be the judge for yourself. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.